In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make sub-accounts on profit and loss using QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or a bookkeeper, understanding how to organize accounts effectively is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Having sub-accounts allows you to categorize your financial data more precisely, giving you a clear view of where your money is coming and going. To get started, let's begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. If you're not already familiar with QuickBooks, it's one of the most widely used accounting software solutions today, known for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive financial tools. Once you've navigated to the login page, enter your credentials and hit continue. This will take you into the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Once inside, your first task is to head over to the report section. Specifically, you want to look at the profit and loss report. This is a crucial report that summarizes revenues, costs and expenses incurred during a specific period, usually a fiscal quarter or year. As you review this report, identify any areas where sub-accounts could help clarify your financial picture. For example, you might have a general expense category that could benefit from further breakdowns. After you've noted which accounts need restructuring, make your way to the transactions section. Here you'll notice a feature called the chart of accounts. This acts like a map for your financial records, guiding you to all the various accounts you've set up in QuickBooks Online. Navigate to this area by clicking on chart of accounts. Now, to create a sub-account, you first need to decide what you want to designate as the sub-account. Type the name of this account into the search bar within the chart of accounts section. Once located, next to the account name, you will see a small drop-down menu right by the Run Report button. Click on this drop-down and select Edit from the options that appear. Inside the editing window, you'll find a checkbox labeled Make this a sub-account. Check this box to signify that the selected account will now function as a sub-account. Next, you need to decide which existing account will serve as the parent account. Choose this from the drop-down list provided. This is another key moment because the relationship between a parent account and its sub-accounts helps organize your finances hierarchically. Finally, once you have ensured everything is correctly selected, click on Save. This action will commit your changes, and you'll now see how the newly created sub-account affects your financial reporting. This is how you create sub-accounts in QuickBooks Online, a feature that brings clarity and precision to your accounting processes, making your financial management more efficient and insightful. So, the next time you're setting up your accounts, remember these steps to make the most out of your QuickBooks Online experience. Thanks for tuning in and happy accounting.